Good afternoon, this is Mike Buller. I'm with the Link Local Network. Link locally and connect globally. Today, we're in downtown Chicago at the law firm of Funkhouser, Vegosen, Leibman, and Dunn Limited. And we have as our guest Mr. Vance Liebman, one of the founders of the firm. Vance,
It's great to have you here.
thanks for joining us today. What can we tell us about your firm? You helped start it, correct?
Yes, our firm is in our 31st year, and we are a firm that provides services to businesses and individuals, primarily aimed at owner-managed businesses, family-held businesses, and other types of businesses. Plus, we have some specialized practices.
What type, now you're international, correct? Your clients span
Our
from
client base,
local?
our client base is international. We have clients in Europe and Africa and Asia, and a lot of them are investing in the United States because, as you know, the United States is a great place to invest,
Okay.
and it's a great place for companies to grow. And we've also done work in Europe and Asia, selling businesses overseas for either American owners or for European owners.
Now you have a wide variety of different industries you mentioned that you deal with. Are there any specific ones necessarily that you focus on?
Well, a lot of our early roots in the firm were with Coca-Cola bottlers. We represented a lot of independent Coca-Cola bottlers around the country, and as that business consolidated, we grew into food businesses and then businesses that are aimed at consumers, selling brand name products through big box stores and little stores all over the country. So we do a lot with those kinds of companies selling consumer products. Then we have a media practice that includes a lot of First Amendment work, protecting people from defamation. We've won a lot of cases in that area over the years, and along with that defamation practice has come a growing practice with internet enterprises such as your own.
Do you do intellectual property or IP work?
Yes, we do intellectual property. We do an interesting practice of working with patent lawyers in patent litigation to try and settle the cases and to try and bring them to good outcomes at reasonable cost. Patent litigation is very, very expensive. And one of the things that you need when you're doing patent litigation is someone who can step back from the fray and the details and kind of look at the grand strategy. And we step into that role very effectively, and we've done that in a number of cases. And then we also do a lot of trademark work with registering trademarks. Right now we do a lot of work in the craft brewing industry, protecting and registering and fighting about trademarks for different craft brewers around the country.
Wow. So you're busy locally, nationally, globally? Cover it all, right?
Well, I don't know that we quite cover it all, but we certainly cover a lot. We do a lot with corporate executives and wealthy individuals as well, estate planning. So we cover a lot of ground in a very sophisticated way with a firm that's small enough so that all the lawyers know each other, and so that when our clients have a problem, there's no possibility of them getting a bill for 20 lawyers being involved, because we don't have 20 lawyers to throw at a problem.
Okay. So how would people get a hold of Funkhouser, Vegosen, Leibman, and what's the easiest way?
Well, first of all, we have a website with all our contact information at www.fvld.com. And second of all, people can just pick up a phone and call our phone, which is 312-701-6800.
Fantastic. So if you want great legal representation from a firm that knows what they're doing, not only locally but internationally, get a hold of Funkhouser, Vegosen, Leibman, and Dunn. Thank you very much, Vance, for being on.
Thank you.
Link locally, connect globally.